Yesterday, the chief minister who has appointed various ministers in various talukas and all, तांकां मिटिंगेक हे सांगलेले as far as COVID issue is concerned. तुम्ही काल मायकलान जी मिटींग आपयलेली मिनिस्टरान बार्देस MLA कडेन तुमी दिसोंक ना कारण कितें?
म्हाका मिटिंगेक आपोवना. म्हाका मिटिंगेची खबरूय ना. I am not aware about the meeting. I am not aware about a meeting being called. I only read through news कि some ministers are appointed. म्हाजो पयलो प्रश्न पडटा, why is BJP government politicizing this issue? What is the role of BJP ministers to look after talukas when there are MLAs in each constituency? Every MLA should have been given a responsibility of his own constituency to look after. So every possible place, the government is trying to politicize issues which are not required to be politicized. So काल कोविडाच्या मिटिंगेन म्हाका खबर ना, म्हाका आपयल्लो ना, म्हाका फोनूय येवना, लेटरूय येवना आनी मिटिंगूय आसा खबर ना. Even if there was a meeting, I don't think I would have gone there because the person who was chairing the meeting needs an IQ to understand what is corona, what is COVID. The fellow who is welcoming quarantine tourism, I don't think is the person who can handle COVID. So पयली म्हणल्यार it should have been able administrators doing this. Every MLA should have been given the charge of handling this particular part. They should have shown एक सरकाराचे वडपण because in corona I have been saying one thing, political one-upmanship नाका, बरोबर काम करून कोरोनाचेर वराचेर आमी युद्ध पयलीं सोंपोवया, मागीर आमचो युद्ध पळोवया म्हणून. पूण somehow this government of BJP is leaving no stone unturned to ensure that politicking happens everywhere. ग्राउंड लायन मास्क दिवपा जाय काय तुजे टॅबलेट्स दिवपा जाय काय आज सरकार टॅबलेटी वाटपाचें उलयतात. I doubt whether MLAs will be even taken into confidence. That also will be a BJP distribution exercise. So ह्यो लोकांक खबर आसा, लोकांक कितें आसा तें. म्हजो एक पार्ट आसा की म्हज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन कितें लोकांक गरज आसा, इश्यू कितें कोरोनाचो आसा, वी आर हँडलिंग विथ द रिस्पेक्टीव पंचायत एट ग्रासरूट लेवल. अँड वी हॅव बीन एबल टू सक्सेसफुली टच वूड हँडल इट टील डेट. फुडें देवा कडेन मागता की सगळ्यांक सुखरूच दवरचें, पूण मुख्यमंत्र्यान हो विशय सडनली आपोवन अर्जन्सी दाखोवन मंत्र्यांक हाडून इनचार्ज करप आनी यू आर अगेन थ्रेटनिंग इंस्टेड ऑफ यू शुड हॅव यूज युअर मिनिस्टर्स टू स्प्रेड अवेरनेस. You are using ministers to give threats, saying that social distancing केलें ना, मास्क घालें ना, केलें ना जाल्यार कोण पार्ट्यो करता, खंय कितें चल्लां, कोणाच्यो पार्ट्यो व्हायरल जाता हें तुमकांच खबर आसा. तुमीच एक्शन घेवपाक जाय, आमची गरजूच ना. बट एट द सेम टायम हो कॉमन मॅन इज बींग थ्रेटन्ड की मास्क घाल, सोशल डिस्टन्स करना, भितर उडयतले, फायन घालतले, कितें. आनी तेच आमच्याच गोंयकारांक एक वटेन तुमी भायल्याच लोकांक हाडटा आनी हें करता आनी कोविडाचें कितें करपाचें त्यो मिटिंगो घेता. I think this is all a eyewash just to keep people busy and the newspapers busy saying that government is trying to do something. The first thing, even now I am saying, a lockdown with only essentials being coming in, this is not the time for tourism. We have to be clear that we have to take the next 2 months very seriously and ताजे खातीर हो टायम टुरिजमाचो नाशिल्लोच केन्ना. फर्स्ट टायम कोरोना वेळार जून जुलय आमचे म्हयने टुरिजमाचे जाल्यात. Rather than that, we could have focused on the health sector and ensured that we are safe. Within economy, within the state could have run, essential commodities could have come in, and we could have run this for the next 2 months till the curve goes down. But the curve, methodology आणि बाकीचे कोरोना कळा काय ना हो म्हाका प्रश्न पडटा. A doctor and a very eminent doctor who has been a superhero, I don't know whether that statement of his, the debate was on the lighter note or it was done seriously. But he said that the lockdown made them sad, and Goa being green, they felt bad because they didn't have any test cases and they needed at least 40 cases as a target. आता आमकां ही टार्गेट कोणे दिली? सरकारान दिली. Where Goans guinea pigs or Goans were wanting to be made guinea pigs to know whether corona कसो COVID कितें testing कितें. There are a lot of questions that come up a common man's mind. म्हाका खूब फोन आयला ह्या बाबतींत. So it disturbs you. When systems are not in place, a lot of things move in a direction which is taking the life of a common man. आणि पयर बाब पाश्कोलाचें मरण जालें, जुजे फिलिपाचो भाव आमच्या मित्राचो. काल बाब सुरेश आमोणकराचें मरण जालें, निधन जालें. सो this gives you a scare की we are not living in the right time with the right things. So we need to do correctiveness. And I think it's high time Chief Minister looks at reality, does not get carried away with jokers like this who keep telling him something and he listens to them. Like I say, it's high time the Chief Minister reacts and he असल्यो मिटिंगो समज करता. Like I say, the people who are doers need to do these meetings to ensure safety of the people. MLAs need to be taken in confidence because they know the areas and they know what is best to be done in the interest of their people. But if the government wants to still do politicking, time will tell them what they are doing and all mistakes will be irreversible.